YouTube.
What's that?
Holy, look at this bridge here. 900 feet off the floor of the canyon. We're at Hoover Dam. There's Hoover Dam. Coming down in.
Stop here on red. Yeah, they must count how many vehicles are allowed out there at once, too. Cars and tour buses, pay attention. What do we got? We drive over and come back, or what do we do?
Well, apparently we drive over it.
Well, you
Ray said you
park
do.
here.
Cars and tour buses.
If we want to.
Trailers, RV, no charge, parking, $10. I don't know, we'll just drive first and see where the hell we're going.
I guess so. Well, that's for tours and everything. I guess you don't have to take a tour unless you want to. We want to, don't we?
I reckon
Did
we
Ray
do.
do any tours or anything? Did he say?
I think they said they went down into the dam.
Got 40 people here, so yeah.
She's busy. It's a holiday weekend.
Staff parking only.
Oh, Nevada time. I think maybe that changes at the.
Nevada time.
I think it changes at the Nevada-Arizona border, if I'm not mistaken.
How's this guy doing?
Scared to go.
Always taking pictures or something, I guess, so the kids are, I don't know.
Do you not get, do you like that little like, I mean my neighborhood gets that.
The elevator down to the bottom. Yeah, Arizona time's an hour ahead. There's a clock in Arizona.
The water laying on the bridge. The dam's going to go. We got water on the bridge.
Yeah. They got a surplus at the Orville Dam there. Got a shortage here at the Hoover Dam. That bridge is so mountains. 2,000 feet long and 900 feet high.